It's my turn, Anna. No, I'm still using it. You've had it long enough. I had it first.
Stop arguing, kids.
She took the laptop. I was only looking.
Okay, let's calm down.
But it's mine. I just wanted to see.
We'll share. Tell me the truth.
Sorry. We both wanted it.
No sharing, no laptop.
I'm bored. Me too.
Look what I found. Just a box?
That's boring.
It's a magic box.
Really? Let's try. Let's make a spaceship and a rainbow.
What wonderful ideas! This will be the best spaceship ever.
And the most colorful rainbow. It looks amazing. We did it together.
Astronauts, get ready!
Ready, let's go. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Whee! We're flying. Three, two, one, blast off! Look at the stars! They're beautiful! Hello! Let's visit at Mars! Woof woof! We're almost there! Awesome! Watch out! Raise the shields!
Great job! We made it!
Let's visit the ocean! Yes! It's a submarine! Let's dive! Look at the fish! Amazing! Hello, turtle! So cool! We have a leak! Quick! I'm on the controls! Magic tape! It worked! We're safe!
That was close.
We made it to the surface! Great job, Anna! A monster! Hide! Quick! I'll protect us. Go! Yay!
I'll be back!
We won!
Great teamwork. Thanks, Christian. We're proud of you. Yay, group hug.
Want the laptop now?
No thanks.
Imagination wins.
All right, let's have some snacks.
The box is more fun.
Yeah, we can make a fort. What a great idea. Family comes first.
We'll always share.
We're the best family. I love you all.
Family comes first.